Hey, what's up everybody? It's Wael with Crypto 10x, and in this video we're going to open the ledger Nano and we're going to give it a review, and I'm going to set it up with you guys and show you how to set it up. So first of all, you should have a sealed one. Make sure to buy it from an approved retailer or ledger website itself. I know there's one way of people losing their money, and that's if you get a ledger from like a friend or somebody and it's already set up with the 24 words in their possession. So you want to make sure that you set up the 24 words yourself and you store it somewhere in a safe spot. So let's start with opening the ledger. I'll just get right into it. Okay, so let's see what's in it. You get the ledger, obviously. It's beautiful. There you go. Let's open it up. All this other stuff. So this I'll open up just in a second. You get a little cord you can just hang around your wrist, or I guess hang it around something. Another thing, you can connect it to here. Kind of like add it to your keychain or something. Same with this, add it to your keychain, and then you have the wire obviously to connect your ledger. So in here you have the manual. Most people don't read it. And then you have your recovery sheet. So you have to start the ledger up, and it's going to give you 24 words, and you'll write the 24 words on this piece of paper. And like I said, you shouldn't put it on anything electronically, so don't put it on your computer. You know, don't upload the words to your desktop, don't take a picture of it, and don't share it. Just hide it somewhere in a safe or something like that. So let's get to turning on the ledger. Just trying to unwrap this. So let's connect this bad boy. Okay. So take it out. It's pretty sexy if you ask me. Let's go. Okay. So you have it. No, this isn't connected in properly. Okay. Welcome. Welcome. It says press both buttons to begin. With Ledger Nano S, side buttons are used. You know. So it says configure as new device, click yes, and then choose a PIN code. So you'll use a PIN code every time you want to use the device. So let's go, just an easy PIN code, 1555, done. Because it can give you 4 to 6 numbers, and let's just confirm your PIN code. It's going to ask you, so it was 1, you just change it like this, 1, 5, 5, 5, and we should be in. So write down your recovery phrase. So this is what it'll look like. So I'm going to take the time and I'm going to write the 24 words. So, you know, you can go to the next words like this, just by clicking these side buttons. And this is where you'll write down all the words. It's very important that you write them down. You can't just skip this. This is basically your ultra secret password that if anything does happen, if you lose your ledger, or if you just forget your PIN, you can use your security words to recover your funds. If you forget that, then you'll lose all your money. So give me 1 minute. I'm gonna try and write all these down as quick as possible. Okay, so I finished writing my 24 words down. As you can see, they're right here. And don't try and steal my ledger, because there's nothing gonna be on here, and I'm gonna just restart it anyways. So if you think you're slick, there won't be anything. So confirm your recovery phase. Like I said, it's going to ask for some of the words in there. So select word 18. 18 is fiction. As you can see, my writing's pretty bad. So let's go together. Orange, that's wait, that's battle, let it, lecture, page, mask, wire, flash, brick, control, coyote, / gift, fiction. There we go. So we click the 2 to confirm, and then it's going to say select word 7. So word 7 is orange. I'll just do this one quick. Orange, where are you? Oh, found it. Select processing. We're getting in, baby. Processing. So it's pretty slick, like it's small, it's cool. I like the ledger personally. So your device is ready now. Pretty easy. Like I said, don't share your 24 words. And then there you go. You get into the Bitcoin, the settings, there's the FIDO, there's Ethereum, and then, so let's say that this is, you know, your first device, obviously, because you're watching this. So you can come and download Ledger Live, and it'll have your accounts all in one place. So let's download that together, and we'll run it together, and we'll see what it looks like. We'll see the dashboard. So it's gonna take 2 minutes. Okay, so we got this downloaded. Let's get this started and jump into the live ledger. Let's use a device that's already initialized, and we have the Ledger Nano S. So did you choose your PIN code by yourself? Yes. Did you save your recovery phrase by yourself? Yes. Is your Ledger device genuine? Smells like it. Perfect. So allow Ledger Manager on your device. Let's see if I get this pop-up. Weird. Is my device genuine? Okay. I guess I just skipped the last check mark. So password lock option, you want to put a password. Let's just put password, and let's go. And bugs and analytics, yes, we'll send you guys some live reports. And Open Live Ledger is pretty sweet, actually, how it's all in one. So you go to the manager to add coins, and you can see all the different coins they have here. And there's some already preloaded on your manager, but you can see you can delete and install more. I guess they're just loading more coins onto the ledger, and you can update your firmware here. But let's go to accounts. So let's say we want to make a Bitcoin Cash account. Open the Bitcoin Cash on your app. So we'll go to Bitcoin Cash, as you can see, and we'll double click that. Perfect. Continue. And it's synchronizing now, and it's going to make us an address for Bitcoin Cash. So now you can send and receive and hold Bitcoin Cash securely. So let's name it Lambo, because Bitcoin Cash is going to blow up, and it's been successfully added to the portfolio. So you can see Lambo, and you can go see your address here. So it's asking me to verify address on device. I don't see anything right now. Okay, maybe I had to click that first. Confirm address. It's the same one I see. And then you can copy address. And then you can start sending. So you can go to your portfolio, receive, send in Bitcoin Cash. And this is just one wallet. You can add tons. So let's add an Ethereum wallet too. Ethereum, where was Ethereum? Right there. Perfect, let's add an Ethereum one. So I have to get out of this, because I'm in Bitcoin Cash, and I have to go to Ethereum. Click Ethereum, and boom, I am in. Synchronizing that as well. And it should let us name the account and make another one. It's simply like a bank account, just very secured, and it's all stored in one place. So let's get this Ethereum wallet going. Hurry up and synchronize. Perfect. So we want 2 Lambos, so let's call this Lambo as well. Add account, and same thing. You click on Ethereum, you can receive, you can send, and what's cool is it's all in one, so you can see if you did have a balance, you can see everything added together, and it shows you what it's up and down in the month in USD and in a percentage value. So this is basically it. You have your settings right here, and you can lock your account. You can change currencies. You can change it in what it's showing you in US dollar, Bitcoin, or whatever, and all just the general tabs, help, general. I wouldn't go into developer mode. And and play around with it if you're not familiar, but this is the gist of it. Very secure, very easy to use, very user friendly, and it's pretty cool too. So I'm posting a link below which will save you some money on your order. You can make an order and start securing your cryptocurrency, because you know, when this shit explodes and you lost your cryptocurrency, you have nobody but to blame but you. So secure that shit and make sure it's on something safe. And that's about it. I'm going to do a Tracer review, and I'm going to do a BitFi. BitFi is by John McAfee. He says the wallet is unhackable. So that's about it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and if you have any questions or you want us to make a video about something else, just put it in the comments. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.